Before you begin the project, go ahead and just read through the warning on the label for your glue and also the instructions. You're going to need a pair of scissors also to cut the tip off of your bottle of glue. You only need the wood portion of these clothespins for this craft, so you're going to separate each of the clothespins from its metal spring. This is a little bit tricky and you're going to want to be careful. Also, you may not want to throw these springs away. If you look online, there are actually a lot of really cute, fun crafts that you can do with just these metal springs. So you might want to save them and look something like that up for later, or you might see if they can go into your recycle bin, just so that you don't have to add them to the garbage. Once you have all of the clothespins separated, you're going to take two of the pieces and you're going to be gluing them all the length of the flat sides together. Line it up so you get a good match there when you're gluing. And you're going to do this until you have 20 sets that look just like this. Just a quick note, as you're gluing these pieces together, you're likely to get some overflow of the glue on the sides here. Just use a tissue or cloth to wipe off the excess glue as you work. Once you have 40 sets of these glued together, you're going to count out 8 for this next part of the project, and you're going to glue them together in sections of 8. And you're going to put the glue here, here, and here, and just match up the designs and glue them together. You'll put the glue again there, there, and there. Add the next one until you have 8 all together. It'll look like this. You're going to do that with 4 groups of 8. So create 4 groups of 8 that look just like this. You should have 8 sets of these left, and you're going to go ahead and break those into 2 groups of 4 and glue those together. You're going to lay the glue along this side now. So you'll put your glue down and add a second pin, line it up. Then you'll put the glue down here, the third pin, and so on until you get something that looks like this. And these 2 sets of 4 are going to form the foundation or the base of your napkin holder. Once you have these 2 sets of 4 assembled, you're going to go ahead and glue them together on the short sides here. So you'll lay a lot of glue down here and hold it securely while it sets, and then let it dry. When the base of your napkin holder, which is right here, is good and dry, you're going to take the 4 sets of 8 that you've already created here, and 2 sets are going to form each of the sides of the napkin holder. I've already glued the 2 to the back of the napkin holder here to form that side, and now I'm going to put glue here and here, and then a little bit on each of these ends, and I'm going to press these into the base of the napkin holder and anywhere that they meet in the middle also, just to form a little bit of reinforcement. And that's going to form the second side of my napkin holder. So here's our finished napkin holder made using just clothespins and wood glue. Now we're going to go ahead and leave this unfinished right now, but if you did want to paint it, I would recommend using spray paint rather than a paintbrush and acrylic paints, because I think it would be pretty hard to get into all the little nooks and crannies with a paintbrush. Also, you might consider giving it a very light sanding before painting, just because of some of this dried excess glue that we had during assembly of our napkin holder. So hopefully you find a fun use for this and have enjoyed making this month's craft with us.